Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today I will teach you guys on how to use a formula called summation in Google Spreadsheets. Okay, as you can see here, there is four people, that is Anna, Sistine, Carol and Kate, and the total of money spent in the year of 2019. And in this January, you want to find a total value of money for four people. So all you need to do is type sum, then drop this down here, then press enter. So this is the total number of money they spent in January. So you also want to know the total number of money they spent in March, April, May, and so on. All you need to do is copy the formula, then like this, and pass it down. See, it's really easy, right? Now for a total of money they spend in one person in 1 year, you can type the sum back here and drag it horizontally, this, and then press enter. That is total money they spent in 1 year. So you want to know another 3 people. All you need to do is copy the formula and pass it down. See, it's easy, right? So that's all for my video today. Please like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thank you.